Maintaining a cricket pitch isn't easy. The EV Mini Rider makes it simple. It runs on a lithium-ion battery. Charge it overnight. 6 to 7 hours of operation the next day. Because it's battery-powered, there's no fuel, no smoke, no noise. Silent operation. How to operate. To charge, put the knob on charge and plug it in. That's it. Overnight and you're good for 6 to 7 hours. When you're ready to work, power it on. Put the knob on running. Select your speed 0 to 4 kilometers per hour. Push forward or reverse as needed. Use the handbrake to stop. Turn on the headlights if you're working early morning or late evening. The 750mm drum covers good ground per pass. Anyone can operate it. No fuel means no fuel costs. Less moving parts means less maintenance. And because there's no combustion, it's eco-friendly. Better operational efficiency across the board. That's the EV Mini Rider.